We live in a world obsessed with proof of work, but the output is a ghost. Thousands of terawatt hours burned, billions of dollars printed for something that exists only as code. Bitcoin has a mass of 0 kilograms. It creates wealth for a few, but builds nothing for the many. When we invest only in digits, we starve our actual industries. We trade the forge for the server rack, and we wonder why we've stopped making things that last. I believe in a different kind of value. I believe 1 kilogram of air is worth more than 10 Bitcoins, because air has mass, it has presence, and it sustains life. My ledger isn't stored in the cloud. It's forged in 15mm bright steel and 10mm glass. This isn't just a coffee table. It's a physical stand against a virtual world. This is where the future actually begins, not by escaping reality, but by mastering it. We use 3D design to push the limits of physics, and we use Gemini as our digital architect. AI isn't here to replace the artist. It's the assistant that bridges the gap between a complex vision and a CNC-ready reality. It turns hours of technical engineering into minutes of creative flow. The Belgravia Sovereign is proof of a new era. When you combine the soul of hand art with the speed of automation and the intelligence of AI, you don't just make products, you make heritage. Stop investing in code that can vanish. Start building the world you want to live in. This is the weight of reality. This is why we create